Fantastic morning. I'm Emra, so yes, some koso wa kudimo. And some of the dots. So there's a fantastic hotel pay. So ya chini kufu na ya de bro. Kete we say enye rebia eshi hot. This richoko. And I pay the jai. And I pay the jai. Some ko 2 rounds. Cause na me gina ya de 2 family hini mu ya no de. No de to me say pipa. Be de me sa shemu sisi I guess am some me sa ho. Guess a pi. Richoko. Me nru ahodo na shemu mabia. Can you want to pay a day? Brown or best start to day start with Richoko? Yes, Richoko for Badwam or day start pass and so that gamepack.com.gh gamepackgames.com.gh gamepack it's almost sorry pa gamepack yay we can name Basadan for this guy a daily Sunday to be able to make this guy go bottom gamepack for dama and I no pay a day and some at the Brewer pick one about not pick 4 what I don't pick one about two sorry number no what me calculation was and number we dey bebo now there what I any there 9 I be draw back 12 near draw back 6 p.m. near sign draw back see in a day with what 3 opportunities say will be this guy area go bottom one pay we open and game pack for I can one in samurai day brewo na you shall see and pass or Sergio Manocho Bennett Paddy Butche and me producers Kejo na kasane Eric Asiru boy me sam wakwaba you shall say Afcon draw and here training mo say na be koso Ivory Coast say na the next week kan kono Ghana group aye pay mu akono and here na akwa koye den ka Christians yen CD baby na mo ne port 2 ti e cheche gu so a port 1 for na telephone kwan na gum ti e den e benya ba ko e dia prepare ni ade ade a wan e benya wan e pese avoided on ade a ye nua no joy sports of football remo ya hwe se ne draw no betimi ase akone
ya e wo bima so Cote d'Ivoire wo man yinkro Abidjan no popo kwa hodo agepene e ko gina mu Cup of Nations na se afia ye besimu no ye kwato suntonto ne ye hu bia group a wo beko wo man Ghana ye Black Stars no gina mu a ye hwe ni mu sanya bia no group a bako pie mu no ne ma bekoye ne ye koye nim Ghana wo de oni kire port 2 a ye wo man bi ti se Nigeria Cameroon Burkina Faso Mali en afi DR Congo de wo no mu a ye ntumi hia emu bia na emu aman aka nyina sempini fodo mo suko ne de draw ne pim so a ye be hia aman aka se ni bia ye hwe ni mu se no so bebo akire no draw no ba
pese kwaje no ebe kwa kwaje aba ye ni abrepa ne ade ade ana ye nkobo remo ye kwa the Ghana Football Association no say the aye na aye no na no de ko ma keto krekunsa so say ye FA president for the next 4 years Georgia Free is on tiase on na court of semni ade junction semni ade ntia no I have something which is there na George ye next eguso de achi hwede ye be ko na mo wura Georgia Mwako former executive council member no de photos no kwama Georgia Free say won fa de ye koso nyina nto nachi ye twam no entwam
no fa very well
emra emeka ho na mo muama FA no fa ne to mapamfra.
And I believe that George will take it in good faith and let's all work together because we all need each other to get Ghana football on the right key. I think Ket spoke very well. He spoke very well and I believe that George will take it in good faith and let's all work together because we all need each other to get Ghana football on the right key.
Right, George Mwako nsema what here to Joanna no say yenkan humum na yemojuma Muama Ghana football fan into my pa fan fra gamepackgames.com and I don't pay wide I can't answer na 9 abone first draw ti en right bi outside no so da ehu na ntwe miensa metima twisu miensa 1 to 39 na odo hwajim ni pan sehwe ti we na ntwe miensa ti 3 na e bi 30 kura nya bad ahonjim na obi diska go bottom na yenkopie mu wo ahyedu katakana na makra so fokufo wo mu akache nra the annual general meeting eba so na nya sam keto akra to go afede ne board members ne tena ase questions fi stakeholders ho eno da nchan a wo mu head to dwa kire mu se ne club no ebuks mu siti mu sika sem ne se ne ma si ko club no mina no to go afede head to dwa wase
oboko na chitafo empenifo ena afa mu ka bi ewo mu age peni esi nkonwa se na be ya popo ko be fa ne ntoma pefra ko ne nimu no anu nti ena mo ko hyiae ensem bebre na na tu dwa ho no mu a tibrekese edema popo ko no to gba afede edi animu a wo kire na dwene ena afa niam bi a wa kyekere no wo pone ho kakra ade kire titafo no to gba afede se enkakra popo ko ni ko na nim so no nko a na sika bote ne wode hye mu enti etuda ne nema kochewa ɔmo nto ɔmo bo ase ne kakra ɔmo wɔ no ɔmo fa nta akyire na ɔmo nyinaa botae no embrɛ mu.
Management brought in an assistant coach in the person of Samuel Oklu to hold the fort, supported by Enoch Jordan Daite as a physical trainer and Richard Opong as goalkeeper coach. Samuel Oklu took charge of a few matches prior to the appointment of coach Slavko Matic as the head coach. At the time of this report, and after 5 matches under the new technical handlers, the team's performance showed initial tremendous improvements, vindicating management decision to change the technical leadership of the team. Now the Common Value Club Alliance. As you are aware, the Common Value Club Alliance, Vakra Suffolk of Ghana, TSG Hoffenheim of Germany, and FC Cincinnati is still in place. I'm happy to inform you that a lot of progress is being made in cementing cooperation among the 3 clubs. Representatives of Hoffenheim and Cincinnati have visited Ghana, and the 3 parties are in regular contact. I'll provide a comprehensive update in my next report to shareholders. But let me emphasize that this has been quite a special arrangement that has seen us engaging on a weekly basis. It's not something just for our lockers or for our tabletops.
House of Folk, your share season, Nasino, Neman Koi. A chita for Nashasia, Omodio Monsa, Tin coach, Copeman so, Satoga, any free war. Papa is and yes, Anna Yano, Bobo Codie, Unyabre de Mao coacher, and Oberpoa, and a dear open on Saka.
Sometimes the way we read some of these things is not very good. Even the best coaches have failed at different places. Is that not true? So it's not an exact science of 1 + 1 = 2. How many coaches has Chelsea had for the past since 2010? Who knows? Chelsea. Those of you are Chelsea fans. How many coaches has Chelsea had? Last season, 3 coaches. It doesn't mean the coaches, the managers of Chelsea don't know anything. It doesn't mean that. Real Madrid, how many coaches have they had for the past 10 years? About 9. You see, so sometimes the way some of you present things is not really fair. Unless you don't know what's happening in football globally. Flamengo is an old club. They've had 23 coaches since 2010. We here also know what we are doing. 23 coaches. Flamengo, since 2010. You can talk Man United, Chelsea, you know. So that is the reality. It's not an exact science. That's why you can have a coach as good as Tuchel, being sacked from Chelsea, but finding home in another club. Exactly. So when you are a genuine supporter, you have to understand these things and keep supporting.
Right. To be a fair and somebody to General say Torebia fans the Munsia Botre. Na mon support club no Casaria Fakup Managro for Sam Pamano Wasano. And of course, to us to say in February, or more say board or was Siano, or be good normal for me board for 40. Had to vote for Monia San Ebania, I don't know the cost and then be brina, ye anymore, I did be brebo, or AFD, ya so, Shannon so. Say Richoku, Moke, one opinion, I didn't some idea, bro. Benum Bibiano Paya Satidina, Richoku, and I feel in copy Womunianamo. Shante Kotoko Kachina, Sante Kotoko, Minoka say no, Coach Akosia, PMCA, 242 mono na, or how the dindin, yes, and my bit Mako, Minoka, so I just to Dana Juma, papa, I didn't somehow to judge them, say, Kotoko fans didn't see about Trekaka. Yea, she sees in us as an MI treaty, the Biabe fine, Monsieur Abotram Fagitation, and Matino.
Tunfor said that it's important all supporters have patience for a new coach and a lot of new players. And in football, if you follow football for some time now, you realize that whenever there's a group of players, who are supposed to mess up with the old ones, it takes time. It doesn't take, a month, or it takes time for them to have cohesion, and that that's the main reason why Otunfo told all supporters to have patience for the team. You know, at the end of the day, Kotoko needs results, but we still complete with each and everyone. You know, that we all have patience and have some time for the team.
Right. And on some na yela kwesi apia. The two class fans then say about munya time en fama team no na yen fio na yen kohwe ensem for friend no so so na ye kwa kopie mu wo Medima Sporting Club o mo aka cheme no ka say no USA touchdown DC United ya yon vacancy kopie so am 90 na 2 feet o my kopie mu wo United States of America. Now Vincent Atinga last season best player e Ghana league ni mo na o si aka de Medima and they won ka team ne ho bi more than some to be said team na aka kone sane penifo share team no gidi say Champions League abeto dwa group na sa anwen ne sen no o betimi akwachire.
Everybody is saying they're in a tough group, but you know, football is all about preparation. When you prepare well, everything goes in your favor. So I wish them well, and I pray they will come out from the group and qualify to the next round of the competition. Well, everybody is saying they're in a tough group, but you know, football is all about preparation. When you prepare well, everything goes in your favor. So I wish them well, and I pray.
Vincent Atinga, yes, Atinga semo out there to draft Medima Sporting Club no one. You know, the Ghanaian Premier League match day 3 outstanding game, and I was doing any dreams call Africa. So right, Dreams FC in structure man, and 1-1. Man, I've no idea. Former Hearts of Oak player. Oh, shared up brilliant second goal. First goal is to Dreams FC, then you're bad. And right here goes to Nano or papa 1-1 and no more a boy a behe. So after this week, the Ecoso next week it is on the Honsam and so at the Abreu. Tanonesan and Sabno Swiss yet now or share no pair Richoko can honor and some idea Abreu Richoko Bobby. It's Amaguyaku Miami Bruno. But next one, Abacas to be Miami flat. Na slice na so ubolo in slice the me so am na flat and Richoko na me dem boss wo na no pay nya sam keto akra gamepackgames.com game pack for so can one pay na some na dey bro they see there fa honje no mu yes sika bia beto so bia no e multiply na bebre na dey amount what are you waiting for we best here fa honje me dipa nsahwe and makwe kan ho na dey some na dey bro Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibo twe me producers kai say abrebia wo de nankasa be kakejwa ne ho Eric Asidu bodine koso ahwe bedwam.